Okay, hello, this is Jeff doing a little video tutorial for the Class of 67 website. To log in, and I'll send you the login password, but to log in, go to the domain name, as you see up here, and then add wp-admin and hit enter, and you'll see this screen here, and then you'll put your login in here, and like I said, I'll give you the password. And click login. And you'll be in the dashboard section of the website, which is kind of the administrative part of it. You can go back and forth between that and the front by going up here to visit site. Now we see that, and we see a black bar on the top, which means we're logged in. Okay. Let's see. First of all, the difference between the pages and posts. The pages are the web pages themselves, we have 47 of. The posts are like newspaper articles. They're meant to be kind of like a more temporary type thing, and we can see them right on the front of the website. As you add new ones, the older ones will go down to the bottom, kind of be archived, still available for future reference, but the newer stuff will kind of be prominent and in the front. And that's kind of the pages versus posts on WordPress websites. Okay, so we can see at the top here there's an edit page and a Beaver Builder option. Edit page you don't really use to edit this page because we have Beaver Builder that kind of overrides the editing of the content. If we click edit page, we can see that Beaver Builder is currently active for this page. So for editing, we use Beaver Builder instead, but there are some other attributes about the page here that can be changed, but you don't have to worry about changing those. Let's just go back again. So if we use Beaver Builder, then we can get in and edit things on the page. And when you hover over parts of the page, you can see that it's highlighted. So here we've got a heading module. This little box pops up. You can move it around and resize it and stuff. It's got tabs for different settings, but the general tab has the main content of what's here. You can see it says Jefferson High School here, and that's here. It's an H1 tag. That's what we want that to be. It's not linked. We don't need it to be a link. And so we're not changing it. We'll just cancel out of that. This is a text editor, and it's got this in it here and a link to the old website, which is now hosted on the new server. So the old hosting account can be deleted. Everything's on the new server, including the old website. So, and then we've got this little thing here is a sub menu that we're using. That's a different kind of a module again, so you don't really need to mess with that unless you want to add some things to it. Then I can do that for you. This is a search box module right here. It's just a fairly simple module, but it will allow you to search for anything on the website. And this here, this big one, is a posts module. So it pulls in all of the posts, and you have a lot of control over what is displayed and how, and the layout and how it looks, image size, spacing, all kinds of things like that. The content, if you wanted to categorize different posts, you could choose to display just certain ones and not others. You can change the sort order, and we have it, we know which is the most common, sorted by descending date order. But that's the order that I typed them in. So we can fix that if you need to fix that and make this a little bit more correct, because they're all kind of old entries anyway. But this talks about 1960, but it probably was entered later than this one was, which would be why that's showing up there. Okay. That's about all we have on there. When you're done making a change to the website page, then you would click done up here and publish, and then the changes that you made would be applied and they'd be live on the website. Okay. Now we were just working on the photos thing. Let's go into Beaver Builder here, and we can see that we've got our heading and our breadcrumb thing here. And then this is actually a menu with links to more pages. And this is just a text module with a bunch of stuff in it. And it includes photos as well. But let's see what happens when I'm just going to click done and discard because I don't want to save any changes. I didn't make any changes right now. If I go to 7th grade photos, we can see we've got a page with 7th grade photos on it. If I want to go back, I can just click this link. It's an easy way to go back. And then we can go to 8th grade photos, go back again. And I just added this golf event thing. And let's go into Beaver Builder here. So this again, these things will just stay the same on every page, the modules. But this is a text editor here, so you can type whatever you want here and save it and it'll show up there. And this is a photo gallery, so you can add photos to this or you can delete photos from it. Okay. And if you want to add photos from your computer that don't exist on your website yet, all these photos exist on your website here in the media library. But to upload files from your computer, click Upload Files and then select Files, and then it'll go to your computer drive and let you pick whatever photos you want. Okay? So we'll get out of that, and then when you're done with your changes, again, click Done and Publish. Okay? And this page, I will add the rest of these pages. I did add them, but I haven't added the basics to them yet, so I'll add that so that you can go ahead and go in and try editing those and adding pictures to those. Let's see, announcements and things. Well, we have all kinds of different areas. There's memorials here, health issues. These are kind of like announcements, website info. These are just different pages that you guys had on your old site, so I copied them onto the new one. They're easily accessible here. And there may be some things on the old site. This opens a new tab. There may be some things on the old site that you want to copy over to the new site that I missed or whatever. So anyway, I hope this helps, and I may have missed a few things, but the videos get a little long. So let me know if you still need some help, and I'd be glad to help you out.